I'm on my way to the Adidas original store. Gotta go check out the all-new Triple Black Yeezy 350 V2s, like the static version but in black. I got on my red stripe Yeezys. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back at the Adidas original store and I have with me the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the new Triple Black Colorway. Black. So it's a much anticipated Yeezy 350 actually, because there haven't been many black drops after the one with the red stripe, which I have on feet. You had your Oreo, your olives and all of that stuff, and then obviously the bread. And then I think it's been almost 2 years since Yeezy did a proper black drop. You had multiple other pastel shades like your butters and your sesame, your creams, zebras and whatnot. And I'm here at the Adidas original store to give you guys a first-hand look at the much anticipated Yeezy 350 V2 Triple Black. So I'm going to do like first impressions really quick before showing you what they look like on feet. Obviously this is not my pair, so it's not going to be a on feet view. I told you about how I'm such a huge fan of the static Yeezy 350 V2 because I haven't really picked up any Yeezy post the creams and the zebras, and the static 350 V2 was the first I picked up in a long time, primarily because of the knit patterns, and that continues over to this pair. So you see how you can see all of those varied knit patterns and directions. Now the teased images of this pair had an all black pull tab, but this time they put in with the red detailing, much like on the Pirate Blacks. Your regular Boost cutouts, your rubber EVA outsole, midsole, and an all black prime knit upper like on any other Yeezy 350 V2. And of course you have this translucent panel right here, but it's not really that translucent like on the other models. It's all smoked out and grey, so you can barely see your socks when you put them on. And of course, needless to say, the laces are reflective. I'll have a picture put up on the video if I remember. I always seem to forget. Actually, I'll just take it right now. So that's how it looks in case I forget to actually put the picture up on the screen. I must tell you that this isn't really like a jet black Yeezy. It's more on the grey scale, and let me compare this with the one that I have on feet right now. Okay, it's quite beat up. So this is the red stripe Yeezy 350, worn quite a fair bit, and now here's a side-by-side comparison of both pairs. So you see how my older pair is proper black. This has hits of grey, more like a utility black like on the Yeezy 500. But your stitch pattern continues. You have that thick stitch in the middle, your buoys. Now the red stripe came without a pull tab. This model has the pull tab. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep staring at the screen because this camera is struggling to focus. That's the side. I mean, there's nothing much I can really tell you about these sneakers, right? Because, I mean, if you've been around the Yeezys for a fair bit, you know how they all fit. Go up half a size so that the push down is a lot lesser. I'm now gonna slip these on feet. I'm not gonna do like a walk around, but I'll slip these on feet and give you a top down look. Also maybe a side angle look. Just placing the camera on the floor. So yeah, that's my first impressions. I really like these. These are extremely limited in number. If I'm gonna get it, I don't know, because there's a bunch of people who have already registered for this pair, and there's gonna be a crazy camp out, I know for sure, because even the glow in the dark was a very limited drop, and this one is much sought after, not just by people who just jumped onto the Yeezy bandwagon, but also by people who truly are Yeezy fanatics, because a black colorway hasn't come out in the longest time. Alright, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while I show you what it looks like on feet. And until the next time, peace.